Hey guys, sorry there's been a delay on my videos. I've had some problems come up and see where I'm at. I hate downtown Cincinnati. No, let me change that. I hate this area, the UC Medical Campus. It's very confusing, really easy to get lost, and the people who work here, they know their specific area, but they don't really know the campus. So if you ask somebody, where you're supposed to be or where you're supposed to go, they just kind of shrug their shoulders. So it's been an adventure. I lost all my data on my camera. My laptop's messed up, so I haven't really. It's just been a bad couple weeks. For those of you waiting on the DIY video, it will be coming. I promise by the end of this week I'm going to have two of them up. I'm going to have it, and I'm going to have
to the University of Cincinnati.
Now, sorry about that. I will have a how to change your bathroom faucet video by the end of the week, and I will have a how to change your back patio light from bulbs to LED lights. So I'll show you how to change those. So I promise by the end of this week I'll have those videos. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. Again, I apologize about the delay. It's just been a rough couple of weeks.